This is why Taiwan is the cleanest country in the world.
That is incredible.
Every night in Taipei, the trash guy comes and he plays a jingle. And everybody comes on the street and delivers their trash. Just imagine if every country in the world was like this.
The craziest part about Taiwan's approach to waste management is it used to be called Garbage Island. As industrialization boomed, so did the amount of rubbish. Mountains of trash rotted in the streets. Most of it was burned, causing a lot of pollution. But in the last 2 decades, Taiwan has emerged as a world leader in cleanup, and that means all hands on deck. Taiwan's garbage collection system is truly remarkable. 5 nights a week, the trucks arrive playing everyone's favorite tune. These yellow trucks are used for general trash, but the white trucks are for recycling, separated by glass, paper, cardboard, cans, plastic, and even compost. Raw food waste is processed into fertilizer, while cooked food is recycled to feed farm animals. Whatever you do, don't break the rules. The government has cameras in place and will post videos of violators publicly as an incentive to recycle.
Okay, Charlie, what's happening behind you right now?
They're picking trash. This is the normal trash that can't be recycled, but these are the recycled part. And these bins here are for leftovers.
The food scrap department is over here.
That is incredible.
So cool. Everyone is a rule follower here. No one's bending the rules.
The trash every day, garbage?
Every day, third day, what?
Yeah. In my country, we don't do this. Only Taiwan.
This has been going on for like 5 minutes. I'm surrounded by all people giving trash nightly
To the recycle and the trash.
It's like the most peaceful thing I've ever experienced.
I cannot believe what I just saw. You can see even the businesses here, they bring their trash down and they keep it neatly organized. As a Taiwanese person, how does it make you feel?
Feels great. Feel proud that at least our place is really clean.
Just want to give a huge thank you to China Airlines for sponsoring this video. China Airlines is a great way to get from North America to Taiwan, as it provides routes from Los Angeles, Ontario, San Francisco, JFK, and Vancouver. They flew me on business class and look how amazing it is.
Beautiful. Big TV. We got all kinds of stuff over here. Ample leg room here. So far, I gotta say that China Air is awesome.
I highly recommend looking into China Airlines for your next trip to Taiwan, and you can book using the link in my description below. Thanks and see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please comment your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this channel for more awesome travels, and also I'm giving away a free digital version of my top 100 best travel photos of all time. All you have to do is click the link below and sign up for my free email newsletter, and you'll be sent this straight to your inbox. Thank you guys, stay safe, be spontaneous, and just go.